guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitystj and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing and reviewing this nice unit sent to me from Unice hair company, and this deep wave highlighted wig in 20 inches, 150 density, and a 13x4 frontal. So this unit is pretty nice. Overall, I really didn't have to do much, because I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I really didn't have to do much but take it out and put it on my head, cut the lace and everything. So it was a pretty nice unit to install. It was very easy. Didn't take me long. I kind of struggled with putting this style together because I wanted to try something new. I didn't want to keep doing like side parts, middle parts. I just want to try something new. And I think overall it came out pretty nice, pretty cute. And this is the side view of it. It's kind of like a half up, half down with a side bang. Yeah, overall it's a pretty nice unit. I'll say it's very beginner friendly. So if you're new to wigs and you want some affordable hair but you want like a pop of color, go ahead and purchase this unit from their app actually. So I'm gonna put the QR code right here so you can scan it and get the app from the app store. Whether you got Apple or Android, you're able to download this app to get $5 off your purchase. If you purchase from the app, you're also able to track your information on your unit whenever it's coming, so you're able to get that tracking information on the app. And you're also able to participate in that flash show they have every day on their app. So go ahead and download the app. Like, there's like almost a cut to a free wig. So go ahead and download the app. Get that extra $5 off your purchase if you download the app and buy the unit from the app instead of buying it from their site. Use the Unice app to get your unit. It's definitely worth the money. So go ahead and download the Unice app and purchase that unit. Get that $5 off. Because their hair is super affordable, it's super nice, and I really do love this unit. Thank you for sending this unit. It's pretty nice.